This is the WhatsApp conversation with Sita of Compuage Chennai. Actually, for the issue started, starting from Saturday, I have found a problem. I haven't received the receipt and the keyboard replacement. Also, I have problem with our already mentioned everything. On Saturday night only, I have figured out the issue that RO lighting under the LED panel, that is a panel down the side of the laptop is blinking. Before that there was no issues, but the laptop is now able to switch on and could work, but they are insisting me to replace this motherboard and the strip. They are saying some kind of gimmicks, so I couldn't know what to do actually. So I called to the customer care, and I have told that the issue has been not by me. Already I have uploaded the videos. Sita, sorry, Seta, Sita. And the first quote was 8,596, but it was a wrong commitment. It was about 6,114 rupees, around something so. And it was again what? It was again discounted for me. This is the bank account they have for the fund transfer, and this is the code they have charged me with 15% discount for less on the spare. I gave the amount and got the laptop, but now the issue is, when I gave the laptop, before the laptop which the keyboard has not been replaced, it was working properly. I mailed them 4 days back. After that, the RO lighting under the laptop is blinking. That's not my problem, and that's not my issue actually. And they now gave me a code for this much amount. The LED strip might be the problem, but they have charged me for the board. But if they have charged for the board how it's power on and working still now, the laptop is working still now. I have confirmed it.